Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Zara Home app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Zara Home is a lifestyle and shopping app developed by Inditex, offering users access to a wide range of home decor, furniture, textiles, and accessories. The app brings the Zara Home catalog directly to your device, allowing you to browse new collections, save favorites, and shop with ease. It also supports order tracking, store locator features, and personalized recommendations based on your preferences. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is appreciated for its clean and minimal interface, smooth navigation, and high-quality images that help customers visualize products. Many users like the seamless shopping experience, easy checkout process, and regular updates that keep the app aligned with Zara Home's seasonal collections. The ability to sync your shopping bag across devices adds extra convenience. Still, the app isn't without drawbacks. Some users report occasional glitches during checkout or slow loading times during product launches. The return process, while available, may feel less flexible compared to other retailers. Additionally, the app focuses heavily on Zara's own ecosystem, so users looking for more variety might find it limited compared to multi-brand shopping platforms. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Zara Home app may be worth using if you enjoy stylish, curated, and modern home decor shopping directly from your phone. It shines in design, user experience, and convenience. However, if you value a broader product selection, more flexible return options, or faster delivery in all regions, it might not fully satisfy your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.